Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check if Google Cloud is successfully installed or the Google Cloud SDK. All right, so first up, when you go ahead over to your apps or in here under add or remove programs, okay, open it up. Now you'll be able to find Google Cloud SDK. If not, you can go ahead and use the search bar and type in Google. Here we have Google Cloud SDK. Okay. Now, another way to find out is by going to your search bar, type in SDK. And as you can see, we have Google Cloud SDK shell available. Now, when you try to open it up, okay, just try the gcloud-h command. So you'll be able to see that Google Cloud is successfully installed. Okay. You can go ahead and run gcloud-h like so. All right, just wait for it to load. And there you have it. You can go ahead and run gcloud-help like so. And that's basically it. That's how you check if Google Cloud SDK is successfully installed in your computer. Now, if it's not, you can go ahead and check our channel. We have a separate video that talks about how to install, or a step-by-step guide on how to install Google Cloud SDK. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.